The sauna was delivered quickly and arrived in excellent condition. The packaging was secure and protected the sauna during transit. I appreciate the care taken by the seller to ensure that the sauna arrived safely. Setting up the sauna was a breeze. It came with clear instructions and all the necessary tools for assembly. I was able to put it together in less than an hour, and I didn't need any extra help. The process was straightforward and hassle-free. The size of the sauna is perfect for my needs. It fits nicely in my bathroom and doesn't take up too much space. Despite its compact size, it is still roomy enough for me to sit comfortably inside. I am 5'10", and I have no issues with space or comfort. I was initially torn between a vinyl sauna and a wood sauna. After doing some research, I found that a wood sauna is a better option. Vinyl saunas can release toxic chemicals when heated, which can be harmful to your health. I'm glad I chose a wood sauna as it is a safer and more eco-friendly choice. The sauna heats up quickly and efficiently. Within minutes, it reaches the perfect temperature for a relaxing and detoxifying session. The heat is evenly distributed, ensuring a consistent and comfortable experience. It's amazing how quickly the sauna can warm up and provide all the benefits of infrared therapy. I love the lighting and Bluetooth features of this sauna. The LED lights create a soothing and calming atmosphere, enhancing the overall sauna experience. The built-in Bluetooth speakers allow me to play my favorite music or guided meditations while I relax. It's a nice touch that adds to the enjoyment of using the sauna. The sauna comes with a 3-year warranty, which gives me peace of mind. Knowing that the manufacturer stands behind their product and offers a warranty shows that they have confidence in its quality and durability. It's reassuring to know that if anything goes wrong, I have support and can get it fixed or replaced. Overall, I am extremely satisfied with this sauna. It has become a valuable addition to my home and has greatly improved my health and well-being. The quality and craftsmanship are evident in every aspect of the sauna, from the sturdy Canadian Hemlock wood to the efficient heating system. It's a great investment in my overall wellness. Click on the link below to see price.